You simply need to listen and earn money while resting in bed. Click here to visit the website. This music is perfect for meditation. While you're sleeping, it's bringing money in for me on automatic. In today's video, I'm going to give you a free bot, and all you have to do is click it. I know it seems strange, but it works, and it works quickly. I'm talking about $500 to $700 every day, and I'll show you proof in this video that this bot does all the work for you. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. So the first site you should go to is right here in front of your eyes. And don't worry, I'll give you the link after I describe each step so you can simply follow along. So first, go to this website, which basically pays you and people all around the world to write for them. And that's exactly what they do. They hire bloggers whose primary goal is to get you to read every single word. I understand your reaction. I don't want to write anything since I'm lazy and I failed English. Listen, you don't have to type anything because the bot that I'm going to provide you will take care of everything. Look at it so you can see Megan Hart, Tom Tracy, Hannah, and other people who are currently being paid $100 to $1,000 per piece. Look at my girl Megan here. I'm going to click on her CDC and you can see that she wrote all of these articles. So picture writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8 CFC for an average of $300. That's $210 just by typing phrases on the computer. And the greatest part is that the bot will handle everything for you. People are now compensated for blog posts, articles, ebooks, manuals, and website pages, as you can see on the Talent Network. These are all of the many categories they have here, and we're going to concentrate on the blog post. This is where you can make a lot of money quickly by using the free bot that I'll offer you in a second. So go to a Talent Network, click on Join the Talent Network here, and then fill in your name. It's that straightforward. I now have a fully funded account, and all I have to do now is prepare to begin earning money. I'd like to pretend that this is your account and that you're about to utilize this free bot to make a couple $100 every day. Consider quitting your 9-to-5 work. If you like this video, please share it with your friends by liking and sharing it. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe using the red button and leave a comment below. It would be fantastic if you liked it. Subscribed, switch on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If you get 1,000 comments on this video saying I'll make money in 2022, we'll put out a terrific new video next week that might be even amazing than this one, showing you how to make money doing easy things like this. So, if this video receives 2022 likes, we'll produce a fresh new video that might be even crazier than this. So with that stated, it's time to get back to work and earn some money. As you can see, it states CV completion, which is the name of your resume. All you have to do now is click Enhance your CV and make sure you completely fill out all of the fields. This is a whole new account made expressly for this video, as you can see. You should link all of your social media accounts here, including Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, because this will allow you to be found on the website, and I'm sure you'll be astonished at how easy it is. It's odd how things operate, and this bot is insane. You'll enjoy it. So down on the right side, there's a button that says Contribute Content. Is it something you can see? So it's asking me to paste a link here because it wants me to start adding material, because that's how you start making money. But like I said, you don't have to be a great writer to do so. You don't need to be an expert on anything. It makes no difference if you don't speak English. Seafood will be featured. You don't need to be familiar with any type of writing to participate. I'll teach you how to get back. So let's go ahead and click off here and take a look. I'm going to go to a specific website since we need to write an essay. So, what are they going to write about? So let's say we're going to write a business article. We'll go to google.com and type in business article because we want to demonstrate to other users on that site that we're capable writers, even though we aren't technically capable. We'll rely on the bot to do all of the work though. So let's go to the New York Times to find our article. Everyone is familiar with the New York Times, but the main goal is to locate a story that is already well known. Making money requires this. We can make sense of it using the bot. and you can start bringing in some money. So I'm going to click on Mackenzie, open the door in its firewall between pharma clients and regulators here. And you can see this right here if I scroll down all this advertising here. So I'm going to copy and paste that. Now, listen, I'm not going to utilize it and will instead publish it on Clear Voice, which is the URL of this fantastic platform that we're utilizing. Instead, I'll use Quillbot.com, which is my bot. Quillbot will be extremely profitable for you. Let me demonstrate what you must do. So I took the story from the New York Times and pasted it into Quillbot, which rearranged the words. It's powerful because it replaces nouns and adjectives, and it basically does a paraphrase. Check this out. I click on paraphrase and voila, there it is. It completely rewrote the paragraph. If you look here, it says in December 2017, Jeff Smith, a partner at the prestigious consulting firm, Mackenzie & Company. But as you can see, the first sentence has changed to Jeff Smith, a partner at the prestigious consulting firm, Mackenzie & Company. So what I'm going to do is take that first sentence and change it to Jeff Smith, a partner at the prestigious consulting firm, Mackenzie & Company. I'm going to use Google Docs, which is a completely free service. Go to docs.google.com, copy and paste it here, and then return to the piece we had in the New York Times. This is how you get rich. It's simple to do because you simply copy and paste. I'm not utilizing the real content here, as you can see. Instead, I'm paraphrasing everything with the bot. Yep, the bot. Simply type the bot in the comment section if you believe this bot will assist you in earning money every day. This bot is the reason I'm not working at the job anymore since it does all the work for me. So, once I copy and paste that, I'll just paste it in here and hit paraphrase again. And as you can see, you just keep doing that until you have a complete article. So Quillbot will paraphrase the article and essentially build a new one for you. Then, once you've got the new article, see whether I have anything like this wonderful bot article. So we'll proceed to the filing cabinet. As you can see, Google Documents supports Docs, ODT, RTF, and PDF files. We'll convert it to a PDF file because this is what we require and the format they desire for Clear Voice. Then return here, upload the file, and as you can see, bang, you have an excellent bot PDF. You upload it in this manner. Now, once you've uploaded this document, you can repeat the process with different articles, and people will begin to notice your material and will pay you money without you having to do anything. The bot is performing the work. Write in the comment section below. So, we'll choose a category over here, which could be lead generation advertisement or whatever category you want to click on, and then fill in the major role, such as your self-content type, and then add an image. Why? Because the image will make it more appealing, similar to an Instagram photo. And guess what? You'll need to find another photo and put it in here so that more people will read your article and pay you a lot of money to do so. We'll then go to pixels.com to download our image. Everything is free, including videos, stock images, and other fantastic things. So this is where I go. Pixel is effective because every image on the site is free. You will not have to pay anything. People come here to look for photographs. If I want to download this photo of a gorgeous woman, I can just click on it, hit the download button, and it will be downloaded to my laptop. As you can see, it was only recently downloaded. Then I'll return here and edit the image. Then place the stunning woman in the red gown. After that, I'll just post it here and push update, and it'll be done. Take a look at that lovely lady over there. Amazing bot, that was your first article. And you can repeat the process to get money online. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.